Hello everybody, today we will learn how to download Arduino IDE. So to download Arduino IDE, we will start here, we will write here download Arduino A-R-D-U-I-N-O Arduino IDE for Windows. Now here you have got so many options: software Arduino, download and install Arduino. So you can go with this, or either you can directly go ahead. There are so many options. We can go by this. Download this, and here download latest release for Windows. We can go to this. So new option for Windows, Mac, Linux, and there are so many other. So as far as Windows is concerned, you can just click on this. It will be downloading your latest release. So here you can see it is, click on this and you will be able to see what exactly it is doing. Here it is writing Arduino IDE 2.3.2 is getting downloaded. So just wait for a while, and as it will be done, it will be displaying your folder. So as it has done here, now click on this folder. See, it is here, it has come. Now just double click on this. Just double click on this folder, and it is asking you, it is giving you some agreement, documentation for agreement, license agreement documentation. So whatsoever it is, you need to agree it. And now here only for me, anyone who uses the computer, all users. So I mean, it depends upon you, whichever you want to select. Otherwise you can put it anyone. Okay, then in this case, but you will have to take care of, it will be asking for admin credentials. So I mean, anyone you can select. If you want to go for this and only for me, even it will work. Or if you want to make it for multi-user purposes, then you can go for the first one. So here I have picked out as it has done. So now I will press next, and then I will press install. Now when I have done this, it is progressing to install it. So just wait for a while. By the time it will get installed. Actually, why we are installing this? The aim is to program with embedded C, because whenever you are working with any of the devices, any of the project, then you will have to install your Arduino, or either Arduino, or you can use MATLAB as well. But Arduino is the simplest and easiest one to work with, and with this you can make your basic projects related to your communication with devices like LED device, LED lighting up or not, and for various other projects related to your IoT projects, you can use this. So just wait for a while, it is being done, please. So for this, the requirement will be, condition will be that you must know embedded C. C programming is important. So if you know that, you will be able to handle it. It's not that difficult and quite easy, but little bit hardware knowledge will also be important. Hardware knowledge in the sense, you will have to understand various components which will be used in your Arduino programming, embedded programming of C. So now it has done. You can click on the finish button, and once you will click on the finish button, just wait for a while. It is it is doing something. Now it has done, still working. Now here Arduino has been installed, and now here onward you can start your programming. So whenever you will be starting Arduino programming, embedded programming in Arduino, all the time you will be getting two main functions, and those, one of them is, first one is setup, and there is the another one is loop function. So here onward we can start our programming. So for the this installation part is concerned, till here you are supposed to do, and then next we will start doing programming in this one. So that we will be doing in the next one, please. So very much thank you very much for seeing this, please.